Need a great side dish? Well, here's a great rice dish. Yellow vegetable rice the easy and tasty way. You will need 1 cup jasmine rice, rinsed and drained. 1/2 tablespoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon mushroom powder. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1 and 1/2 cup water. 1 cup frozen mixed vegetables. Directions: in a small saucepan, add the water and spices. Stir to blend. Bring to a boil. Add the rice. Stir. Add the frozen vegetables. Stir again. Reduce heat and cover. Simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. It's ready! Easy and tasty yellow vegetable rice. Hope you enjoyed this easy and tasty food idea. Please be sure to like and comment. Watch this channel and subscribe to be notified of the next great, easy, and tasty food idea. Let's eat! Thanks for watching!